How female arousal works, what actually happens. Female arousal is a complex physiological and psychological process that involves a combination of physical and emotional responses. While it can vary from person to person, here's a general overview of how female arousal works and what happens during this process. 1. Desire or mental arousal. Arousal often begins in the mind with sexual desire or mental stimulation. This can be triggered by fantasies, thoughts, or emotional connection with a partner. Emotional intimacy, trust, and feeling desired can play a significant role in initiating desire. 2. Physical changes. When a woman becomes sexually aroused, there are various physical changes that occur in her body. Blood flow to the pelvic area increases, leading to engorgement of the genitalia. The clitoris, a highly sensitive organ, becomes engorged and more sensitive. The vaginal walls may become lubricated, which reduces friction during sexual activity. The breasts can become more sensitive and may experience increased blood flow. 3. Hormonal responses. Arousal can lead to the release of hormones, such as oxytocin and dopamine, which contribute to feelings of pleasure, bonding, and satisfaction. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, is released during sexual activity and can promote emotional bonding. 4. Emotional and psychological responses. Arousal is not only about physical changes but also includes emotional and psychological responses. Feelings of pleasure, relaxation, and emotional closeness can enhance the overall experience of arousal. 5. Orgasm. Sexual arousal can culminate in an orgasm for many women. During an orgasm, there is a release of pent-up sexual tension, accompanied by intense physical and emotional sensations. Orgasms can vary in intensity and duration from person to person. 6. Resolution phase. After sexual activity or orgasm, there is a resolution phase where the body returns to its baseline state. This phase may involve feelings of relaxation and a refractory period during which a woman may need some time before becoming aroused again. It's important to note that sexual arousal is a highly individual and varied experience. What may be arousing to one person may not be the same for another. Factors like personal preferences, emotional connection, physical health, and relationship dynamics play a significant role in how arousal is experienced. Effective communication with a partner and understanding each other's desires and boundaries are essential for a satisfying sexual relationship. Consent, mutual respect, and a comfortable, safe environment are fundamental to ensuring a positive sexual experience for both partners.